How to build custom client portals in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can build custom client portals in Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you can see that there are several boards that you're working on. And this is the home page, by the way. So you can't create custom client portals right away from Monday.com. So you're going to need a third party application that is going to do the work for you. So you can open a board, and then what you can do is you can come here to Software. Now, Software is a third party application that is going to help you build a custom client portal. Now you need to log into Software as well, and once when you do, you can see you're at this home page dashboard, and you can click on Start with a template. And here, client portal is right here. So we're going to use this client portal template. Now, the beauty of Software is that you don't have to do a single work, and everything will be pre-made, custom made for you in the form of their template. So we're going to click here on Use Template, and we're going to use it not with Airtable, but with Monday.com. So we need the uh, I would say premium package for that, but Software is mostly free for 7 days. So if you are on Software for the first time, then you'll get a free 7-day trial. And in that trial period, you can use that. You can connect your Monday.com board, which is right here with Software. And once when you do, you'll be able to select the board that you want to connect with Software, that you want to make a custom client portal of. For example, this is my board of mobile components, and I have my clients right here. Now, I want to make a custom portal of these clients. Then I need to connect this specific board to to Software. And when we click on Monday.com, it will give us it will ask for the permission to connect which board that we want to connect. And we can select this specific board of mobile components. And once when we do, a custom client portal will be created automatically by taking the information of our clients from this board right here. So it's as easy as it is. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel. Let me also show you the client portal. Wait, let me just show you. If it allows us to show the template, we can just see it right here. Let's see how the template works. So this is the template without the data, I would say that, because we are not able to connect the Monday.com board because it requires a premium subscription. But this is going to be the templates. Now we're going to have the projects, the active projects, and the outstanding task. And we can edit everything from here, starting from item details to conditional forms. And we can also edit how the form would look, like centered or site text, or a side video. That's completely up to us, completely, I would say, up to us. And after editing, we can also add a specific block if we want. We can edit the pages, we can edit the themes as well. Completely customizable, I can say that. We can add project details right here for the customers and for the clients. We can edit the form as well. Like I said before, we can add payment method if we want to. That's completely up to us. We can assign the format of the list. Do we want it stacked or we want it column? Completely up to us. And this is how we actually edit the customer portal, which is very customizable and very easy to do so. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.